Biohacking, the ethics of enhancing human capabilities. Biohacking, the practice of manipulating one's biology to enhance capabilities, presents a complex array of ethical considerations. Below is a structured analysis of the key ethical issues. 1. Autonomy versus societal responsibility. Personal freedom. Biohacking emphasizes individual autonomy, allowing people to modify their bodies as they choose. This aligns with principles of self-ownership and bodily autonomy. Societal implications. Enhancements like cognitive boosters or physical augmentations could create unfair advantages in competitive arenas, e.g., sports, employment, challenging notions of fairness and meritocracy. 2. Safety and risk management, DIY dangers. Self-experimentation, such as amateur gene editing, e.g., CRISPR, poses significant health risks, including unintended mutations or infections. Lack of oversight. Without professional guidance, biohackers may unknowingly endanger themselves or others, especially when manipulating pathogens or implants. 3. Equity and access. Socioeconomic disparities. High costs of advanced biohacking technologies, e.g., neural implants, genetic therapies, could widen gaps between affluent and marginalized groups, leading to a biologically enhanced elite. Global inequality. Disparities in regulatory frameworks may result in biohacking tourism, where individuals seek procedures in regions with lax laws, exacerbating global inequities. 4. Identity and personhood. Philosophical questions. Enhancements that alter cognition or physiology challenge traditional views of human identity. For example, does a person with a brain-computer interface remain authentically human? Psychological impact. Changes to biology might affect self-perception and social relationships, raising concerns about alienation or loss of individuality. 5. Regulatory challenges. Balancing innovation and safety. Governments must navigate between fostering innovation, e.g., medical breakthroughs, and preventing harm. Overregulation could stifle progress, while underregulation risks public health crises. International coordination. Divergent global laws complicate enforcement, necessitating cross-border cooperation to address issues like biohacking-related bioterrorism. 6. Informed consent. Knowledge gaps. Many biohackers lack access to comprehensive risk information, particularly in DIY contexts. This undermines true informed consent. Ethical education. Promoting accessible resources or certifications could mitigate risks, ensuring individuals understand potential consequences. 7. Long-term uncertainties. Health risks. The effects of prolonged use of nootropics, implants, or gene therapies remain poorly understood, necessitating longitudinal studies. Unintended consequences. Innovations like CRISPR could inadvertently harm future generations through heritable genetic changes. Number 8. Potential for misuse. Malicious applications. Biohacking tools could be weaponized, e.g., engineered pathogens, enhanced soldiers, posing existential threats. Dual-use dilemma. Technologies designed for health improvements might be repurposed for harm, requiring ethical foresight in development. 9. Cultural and environmental impact. Cultural norms. Practices like body modification may clash with societal values, leading to ethical conflicts in multicultural settings. Ecological risks. Release of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, could disrupt ecosystems, demanding strict biocontainment protocols. 10. Corporate influence profit motives. Companies may prioritize financial gain over ethical considerations, promoting unnecessary or risky enhancements. Exploitation. Vulnerable populations might be targeted for experimental procedures, raising concerns about consent and justice. Conclusion. The ethics of biohacking demand a balanced approach that respects individual autonomy while safeguarding public welfare. Key steps include robust regulation, develop adaptive policies that encourage innovation while mitigating risks, equitable access, ensure affordable and fair distribution of biohacking technologies, global collaboration, foster international dialogue to address cross-border challenges, ethical literacy, promote education on risks and responsibilities within the biohacking community. By addressing these issues thoughtfully, society can harness biohacking's potential while upholding ethical integrity.